So the process of adding the hashtags to your YouTube videos on mobile is quite simple and easy, and it is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So simply open up your Y2 Studio app. In case if you haven't installed it, simply install it from App Store or Google Play Store. This would make your life really easy. So simply open up your Y2 Studio app, and here we go. Now go and to the specific video that you want to add hashtag to. For example, in my case, I would tap on these three dots, lines, go to videos, and for example, select this video, or even I can search for some specific video from the top. Here we go into that video. Now go and tap on this pencil icon at the right top corner. It means edit. And now at the right side of this pencil icon, you can see the description. So you need to add the hashtags in the description. For example, I say hashtag TikTok, hashtag space, hashtag YouTube. You can add up to 3 hashtags. So for example, how to. And once you have done so, go back by tapping on this. And here tap on save at the right top corner. And once you tap on save, it says save changes. And now your hashtags have been added to your video. So hope by doing so, you will be able to add hashtags to your video on YouTube. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.